afternoon. You join me here at Bedford Autodrome. A very impromptu afternoon, but I've come down to drive this absolute weapon. The most popular probably class car to be in at the moment, the Citroen C1 Racing Challenge. My friends have just bought this, they're planning on racing it in the near future, and they're very kindly invited me to have along. So we're going to jump in the car around Bedford Autodrome on the GT circuit on a track day here and just experience to see what it's all about. But yeah, let's have a quick closer look at the car. So the C1 here, based on the production car, it is effectively the production car with a roll cage. The rules even state that the radio has to remain in the car. When I don't mean pit-to-car radio, I mean the general FM, AM video radio in the middle just here. Completely gutted out in the middle here. Roll cage bolts in, removable steering wheel, all the dash and everything is exactly the same as well. So as a result, you can pick up this car. This car's done 124,000 miles, I think it is. It's obviously had the conversion put on it, which I believe consists of the suspension upgrade, the roll cage which bolts in, obviously gutting the whole interior as well, and I think that's about it really. There's not even like a modded exhaust or anything like that goes on it. So it's 998cc, 3-cylinder engine, 5-speed gearbox. I don't even know what the weight is, no idea. Putting out something like 68 brake horsepower or something like that, so it's obviously not the most potent car in a straight line, but it's all about cheap, affordable, fun racing. And yeah, we're going to jump in it now and see what the fun is all about. jumped out of the C1. Great little car, great bit of fun to drive. As you very briefly heard me say, there's no power in it whatsoever, so I think it really emphasises the technique of carrying speed and getting the most out of the car for that. Hugely not intimidating drive at all, because there's so little and lack of power, so you can really throw the thing around. Initially it's set up to change direction quite quickly, as you'll see from the couple of moments that I had out on track, but then after that it kind of falls over itself and into a safe understeer or catchable oversteer moment, which I think will make it accessible for all levels of drivers, hence why they've got sold out grids in the multiple 24-hour races. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this quick lap round Bedford. Anyways, just a quick video for this. Hope to bring you some more with this car as we get the team drivers and car all up to scratch and through their licence tests, ready for racing later on this year. So stay tuned, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for that journey to come, and please pop in the description any video, any comments that you'd like to see whilst you're out there. Catch up then. Ciao, ciao.